Welcome back, students. Let's continue with chapter 6, Asia Physiography. Today I am going to explain the desert lands and the magnificent water bodies. The first one, that is the desert lands. Significant portion of Asia, they are covered by deserts that are hot and arid like that of the Arabian Desert, or cold like the intercontinental deserts of Central Asia. The first one, that is the Arabian Desert. The Arabian Desert is a vast desert of wilderness that stretches from Yemen to Persian Gulf and from Oman to Jordan and Iraq. It is said to be the largest desert in Asia at 2.33 million square kilometers and also occupies most of the Arabian Peninsula. This Arabian Desert is located in the Middle East. Next desert is Gobi Desert. The Gobi Desert is the second largest desert in Asia, covering 1.295 million square kilometers. Extending from northern China into Mongolia, the Gobi Desert receives an average of 7 inches of rainfall each year. Because the Himalayan mountains, they block the rain clouds from reaching this particular region. Next one is Taklamakan Desert. Taklamakan Desert is China's largest desert, extending over 337,000 square kilometers. It is composed primarily of shifting crescent sand dunes. What is the meaning of sand dunes? Sand dunes are the hills of sand formed by the movement of wind. Now, crescent sand dunes means they are moon-shaped sand dunes. This Taklamakan Desert, it is one of the largest sandy deserts in the world. Next one is the Thar Desert, covering 200,000 square kilometers in India and Pakistan. The Thar Desert is Asia's only subtropical desert. Primarily occupying the Indian state of Rajasthan, the Thar Desert receives up to 20 inches of rain per year, primarily during the monsoon period from July to September. Most crops are grown during this rainy season. The last topic of this chapter is magnificent water bodies. Some of the most magnificent water bodies can be found in Asia. Some of them have been discussed below. The first water body is the Caspian Sea. The Caspian Sea, it is located in Western Asia on the eastern edges of Europe, is the largest lake on the planet. Oil and natural gas production platforms are constructed almost all along the edges of the sea. Although fresh water flows into the sea via the Volga River and Ural River in the north, the sea remains salty. The measured surface area is 371,000 square kilometers. Next is Lake Baikal. Lake Baikal, where is it located? It is located in southeastern Russia, directly to the north of Mongolia. It is not only recognized as the oldest, that is still existing, freshwater lake on the planet, but also as the deepest continental body of water at 5,315 feet. Lake Baikal is about 626 kilometers in length. The last one is the Aral Sea. The Aral Sea is located in the countries of Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan, just to the east of the Caspian Sea. Unfortunately, the Aral Sea is disappearing and presently can be found almost totally polluted by fertilizer runoff and weapon testing residue that were left by the former Soviet Union as well as by careless industrial projects. With this, I come to the end of this chapter. Thank you.